Subscribe my channel Super Maniac and click the bell icon so you never miss another update. Okay guys, let's start with the video. So what you need to do is just type in free Netflix on the browser you are using. That could be Chrome or Google or whatever. Anyways, you are supposed to click the first website you will see after typing this in. So basically it is officially from Netflix itself, and it is nothing illegal, or you are not supposed to do any extra procedure, no VPN, no verification, no nothing. So it is pretty easy, and Netflix will give you few options from their famous Netflix originals. That could be your series, or that could be movies, and all other stuff. So it is pretty good and convenient, I would say, because you can watch it on TV if you are having a smart TV, or you can watch it on laptop, you can watch it on your phone, or yeah, basically you can watch on multiple devices. So it is pretty good. Okay, one alert here for Apple users or iOS user probably. You cannot play this link, or you cannot use this link on any iOS device or mainly on any Apple devices. You will have to have an Android device or a laptop or some smart TV which would support this link. So basically you cannot play it. So let me just show you what happens when you use it in an Apple device. So I've just clicked it and I am using Safari right now. So as you can see, it is taking a slight time and it will show you cannot play this on iPhone. Okay guys, now let me show you how does this actually work on an Android device or a laptop, because they both have a similar layout. Anyways, you're supposed to click the very first link after typing in free Netflix, and you will get this layout from Netflix itself. Anyways, let me click the very first show. This is Stranger Things. As you know, this is a pretty popular show from Netflix itself. It will take a certain time to load, but after this step you are all set to enjoy the whole show. Anyways, as you can see, I haven't logged in, or I haven't signed in anywhere, and Netflix is also not asking me to sign in or to join this very account. This is actually the best part. So let me just show you another show to confirm that this is not fake or I am not actually signing in. As you can see up here, they're asking me to join or sign in, but I'm not doing any of that. I'll just click watch now, and there is the show right next to me, one click away. Okay, once again, I'm not playing the audio only because I might get copyright from Netflix. Otherwise, the audio and the video quality is really great on this link. And again, it is legal, nothing illegal to do here, or no extra procedure. You are just one click away. So yeah guys, this is pretty much about this free Netflix, and I'll be leaving the link in the description box below so you can go out there and check it out. So yeah, this is pretty much about today's video, and hopefully you liked it. And if you did, make sure to subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up, also make sure to share it. This is Super Maniac signing out.